stop what you're doing and listen carefully. This is an urgent message that could change your life. Did you know that some German scientists have made a breakthrough discovery that could solve the problem of fat in the body? Yes, I'm talking about fat. The stubborn, ugly, unhealthy fat that makes you feel bad about yourself and puts you at risk of many diseases. But what if I told you that there is a natural way to get rid of fat without starving yourself or spending hours at the gym? It's called brown adipose tissue, or BAT for short. Also known as brown fat, this amazing tissue has the power to shrink any fat in your body by burning it as fuel. How does it work? Well, brown fat is activated by cold temperatures and produces heat to keep you warm. In the process, it burns up to 300 times more calories than any other cells in your body. That means you can lose weight and stay healthy by simply exposing yourself to cold. Sounds too good to be true, right? But wait, there's more. The German scientists have also found a secret ingredient that can boost your brown fat and make it work even faster and better. This ingredient is a natural extract that is safe, effective, and affordable. It has been tested and proven to increase your brown fat activity and help you burn fat like never before. If you want to know more about this amazing discovery and how you can get your hands on this secret ingredient, click on the link in the description. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your body and your life. This is a limited time offer, so act now before it's too late. Remember, the link is in the description.